crazy to believe that just 30 minutes before it all happened, we passed that section of the road. Wow, feels so scary. And originally this video was not supposed to be about rockfall. A few months ago, we've been contacted by two young, enthusiastic guys that share a huge love and passion for nature. And they invited us to join their tour where we would go to the forest at night to look for venomous snakes. And it's not to hurt the vipers, but to learn and understand more about them. And surely we agreed because it sounded super interesting and exciting to us. So here we are in Minche forest area, waiting for our guides to come. Feels like we are somewhere in a Nordic country, no joke. So pretty, look.
Okay.
Even through my phone, it looks beautiful.
Woo!
Now is just like relaxing time. Later on we're gonna do something pretty crazy. Once it's dark, we're gonna get in the forest to look for venomous snakes. Huh? I cannot believe we are going to do that.
I cannot believe to do that because we have this beautiful cottage, but we're not even going to sleep here.
Yeah.
Because our snake hunting start from 6 p.m. till 1 a.m.
I mean, technically we'll still have some time here. In case if you guys want to know how it looks like inside of the cottage, it looks like this. It's quite tiny, but extremely cozy, and the smell inside is just incredible. And our bathroom is also quite fancy. Look at that. Ta-da! It even has this sort of decoration.
补充体力 for the snake hunt. 多吃一点哦，我跟你讲，等一下一整个晚上我们要去找蛇哦。
No problem.
拜拜。
OK， 各位，现在发生一个突发状况。原本我们今天晚上呢是要去往80的方向去找毒蛇，但是呢，在通往北横村的路上居然有一个崩塌，然后那个落石一直落，所以原本要带我们去寻找毒蛇的野外专家他们来不了。然后他们刚刚跟我们说可能要改期了，因为道路施工的人说他们一直在抢救，一直在修，可是好像今天修不好，然后最快要明天才有可能完成，所以我们就被困在这个美丽的小木屋里了，是吗？
I hope they can fix it.
I'm really scared we're gonna be stuck in this cottage.
I mean, we only have one night paid.
When we came here, we saw some falling rocks, but it wasn't that serious. It was just like maybe a couple of them, like small ones.
Yeah, we were just thinking, oh, would that be okay to go back? We were just joking about it, and turns out it's not a joke anymore.
而且呢，给各位看现在的天气。我们来的时候呢，天气超级棒，是一个算是一点点起雾的状态，但是没有下雨。现在给你们看。你们听得到吗？雨声，雨下超级大。How did this even happen?
I think it's because of you.
为什么是我？
因为落水一直 follow you.
哎，你不要讲这种东西好不好 ？It's not funny at all.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's not so easy.
被困在明池山庄疯掉了。来宾掌声鼓励鼓励啊！下去！一大早，我们收到另一个惨消息，原先预计早上抢通好的路持续崩塌，可能要到下午才会修好，而往桃园方向又有交通管制，如果早上10点不通过，就要再等好几个小时了。
Okay, let's go through 桃园side.
Yeah, 桃园side and Just like what the guy was saying, we can grab some 水蜜桃吗？
我已经不想 I kind of want to get out. After we get out, we can grab whatever.
Kind of like interesting feeling because people who work here, they're kind of used to that.
Yeah, so like laughing, joking about it. They're like, 我们常常有这个问题。我们昨天看到了一个外国人，他很可怜，因为他一个人旅行，一个人
骑机车。
对。So we saw him going out of this road towards Elon, and then somehow this morning we saw him at the breakfast. So we're like, okay, he kind of didn't manage to go out. Thank you, Mincy. Oh my god. Okay, it's getting more stressful now because we are approaching the part where the rockfall is.
And we can already see it.
Yeah, it's super huge, I should say. And while we're driving along the road, there's so many smaller rocks on the road. Nobody cleans them. Because, I mean, there's just no way that you can pick all of them up.
And I think it happens like probably last night. Because it looks so fresh, you know, the stone is still wet.
Okay, I see some people lining up here. Because the road should be open in 5 minutes.
你们从哪里来？台北。
我看到了你们今天也吃早餐，对不对？
哦，对对对，你们也是被困在上面吗？
对，我们本来昨天要去宜兰，就到那个下面那边80几 K 那边，就那个山崩了。
几点
7点多。
我们本来想说他抢救完，我们就要过去了。
然后整个他那个，而且雾很大，他路根本就不通，然后那个车子照那个帮忙照，因为太暗了，我们等到2点多。
晚上2点。
对。
对
哦，你们原本想说看能不能有机会把它抢救好，
因为他一直在挖，后来结果
最后
快好了，
对，
结果又崩一次，
然后砸到那个怪手那个机器。
哦，所以你都有看到？
对，然后那个机器那个驾驶就是他有一点点受伤，没有很严重，可是他
就是擦伤这样。
对，他可能是弄到那个玻璃把它震到，所以他手有一点流血。
Okay, we are back to the car. The road is open. Come on, let's go.
So we're the only one get stuck there.
Yeah, there are a few cars behind us as well.
Yeah.
And now everyone is so happy that finally we can get out.
然后我突然发现，其实有好几个人都是因为落石的关系被困在这里。还好有中间有名池山庄可以住，万一中间什么地方没有住，真的不知道怎么办呢。
Do you want to close my window, please? Oh
拜托你们快一点，快一点！
It's a big puddle. Oh, there was a huge rockfall here as well. Look how they fixed it. It's unbelievable. Really, whenever you pass the part, your car just shrinks. How do people work there? And yesterday some people were cleaning the rockfall area in the middle of the night with a lot of fog. It's extremely dangerous.
然后刚刚我们通过这一段路的时候，中间还是有人员，他们要持续看着落石。
Woo! Finally, we are out to the big road.
We made it!
Feeling so much happier now. Look at this. You can see a lot of houses, cars. The road is wide. Interestingly, before we traveled a lot and we never really noticed how dangerous the roads are in the mountainous areas because we never really experienced a rockfall or any kind of natural disasters until the time we hiked Yushan and we got hit by the rockfall. Since then, we realized how dangerous it can be.
I started looking at the rock falls differently. Before I was thinking like, okay, it will happen. It's kind of normal, natural. What are you scared of it? But now whenever I look at it, I'll be like, okay, should we wait a little bit? Like, is it safe right now? Is it gonna rain soon? So maybe we should pass right now.
Yeah, ever since then, whenever we are driving on a mountain road, I always look at the cliff, checking out for some rocks or maybe seeing how it's fixed, whether it's alright to drive there.
我现在超级佩服所有清落石的那一些工程大哥，那真的是一个非常危险的工作。因为你看，每一次只要有落石，像什么北横、南横、苏花，不是到处都有落石吗？其实这些工程大哥他们要立刻开怪手去前往，然后修路啊，帮你把石头清开来。在他清石头的那个时候，还是有可能会有落石发生的。他们基本上每一天上班都是在冒着生命危险做这件事情。
This job is probably higher paid, so more people are willing to risk their lives so they can have a chance to make the money, make their living. So yeah.
我觉得如果大家只要通过这些落石区啊，看到那些工作人员，真的要很感谢他们，就是因为有他们，我们才有这些路可以通过。
So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you like it, and I hope you'll never experience that.
我们现在有开启会员制度，大家可以每个月透过小小的金额支持我们拍摄更棒的影片。那链接在下方，大家可以点进去看。如果找不到，也可以直接留言问我们说如何加入会员，可以吗？
Thank you so much, and I'll see you somewhere in Taiwan. Bye bye!